has dynamic contributions to engineering and education. Gino holds a PhD in IT Convergence Engineering from Kumo National Institute of Technology in Korea, if I'm not mistaken. And he specializes in machine learning, embedded systems, and automation engineering. So Dr. San Pedro has founded multiple ventures, including the Philippine Coding Camp and Certify Ed.
Thank you.
In the academe, substantive research experience and passion for technology education significantly contribute to his affiliated institutions like QPO, FICS, and he has widely published in top-tier journals. Gino has integrated the theoretical insights and practical implementations, influencing both academe and the technological landscape. So, my dear colleagues, please welcome Dr. Gabriel Gino San Pedro.
No copyright infringement intended. Graduates to UP Open University.
Thank you very much, Dr. John, for the very interesting talk regarding AI as well as the introduction.
Halos kakasimula lang pa yan. Pinanood ko siya last time.
AI as a research assistant in data science. So my talk today might be quite controversial, as some people might think that using ChatGPT as AI and as well as the introduction. So good afternoon, everyone. The screen is being shared now. Okay. Alright. So for my talk today, it's going to be entitled Meet Your New Lab.
Thank you.
AI as a research assistant in data science. So my talk today might be quite controversial, as some people might think that using ChatGPT as cheating, but I hope my talk today will inspire more conversation regarding this issue and maybe give you a different perspective of this issue. So before I start my talk, I'd like to share this short serendipity. So it's a quote from Larry Page. Artificial intelligence would be the ultimate version of Google, the ultimate search engine that will understand everything on the web. It would understand exactly what you wanted, and it would give you the right thing. We're nowhere near doing that now. However, we can get incrementally closer to that, and that is basically what we work on. So I forgot what year Larry Page said this, but surprise, we're here today, where AI, or ChatGPT, can actually be the next Google.
Okay, thank you, BTS Army Gulay.
You can actually ask ChatGPT, and most likely, well, there's a good chance that
We can support you. You can comment in our other videos, so we can also support you with some subscribers.
Different perspectives in using AI, which I believe is just a tool. So we can use it for good, we can use it for bad, and
Thank
part of my
you.
discussion will also be ethical research. So for the agenda for today's talk, I'll first talk about what AI is, give you a brief explanation of how it works, what it is all about, and then I'll talk about the different uses of AI, specifically in research. AI can be used as your development partner, as your data science partner, and even your research partner. I'll also discuss different ethical considerations, dependencies, future prospects, as well as final thoughts on this matter. So first, let's talk about what AI is. So instead of doing a Google search on what AI is all about, I asked ChatGPT, what is artificial intelligence? And ChatGPT 4.0 responded, AI or artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence with machines that are designed to think and act like humans. These machines are programmed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving,